Hi, Namaste. Today, we're revealing the best drone transmitters and receivers for beginners. We've got you covered from affordable to beginner-friendly options. And guess what? We've personally handpicked each of these based on reliability, range, and features. Stay till the end of the video to see a suggestion of best controller for beginners. Product buying links are in the description. Let's dive in. First, FlySky CT6B transmitter with FS, a 6B receiver. Budget-friendly option. Channels 6. Frequency 2.4 GHz. Range 500 meters. Key features: anti-jamming technology, no interference from other devices. PC programmable. Customize controls easily. Low power consumption, saves battery for longer flights. Perfect for beginners. Second, FlySky FS I6 AFHDS RC transmitter with FS IA6B receiver. Best for beginner to intermediate pilots. Channels 6. Frequency 2.4 GHz AFHDS. Range up to 1 km. Key features: ergonomic design, comfortable grip for longer flights. Fail-safe function, auto safety feature in case of lost signal. Receiver with dual antennas, improved reception and stability. Supports quadcopters, planes, and helicopters. Third, FlySky FS T6 transmitter with FS, a 6B receiver. Best for hobbyists and RC planes. Channels 6. Frequency 2.4 GHz. Screen, large LCD display for easy setup. Key features: programmable model memory, save multiple drone settings. AFHDS technology, enhanced signal reliability. Adjustable stick tension, customize your flying experience. Rechargeable battery option, save costs on our batteries. Fourth, FlySky FS I6X AFHDS to a transmitter with FS IA10B receiver. Best for expandability and growth. Channels 6. Expandable to 10. Frequency 2.4 GHz. Range up to 2 km. Key features: AFHDS to a protocol, better resistance against interference. Telemetry support, get live flight data on screen. 20 model memory slots, control multiple drones with one controller. Upgradable firmware, keep your system up to date. Fifth, FlySky FS I6S transmitter with FS IA10B receiver. Best touchscreen controller. Channels 10. Screen, full touchscreen interface. Key features: dual antenna for stronger signal. Compact and lightweight, comfortable for long flights. Low voltage warning, ensures you never lose power mid-flight. Modern UI, easier navigation compared to traditional controllers. Our suggestion for beginners: FlySky FS I6X AFHDS to a transmitter with FS IA6B receiver. Reasons to choose: 10 channel support. Unlike the FS I6, 6 channels, the FS I6X offers up to 10 channels, allowing more flexibility for advanced flight controls, gimbals, and other accessories. Suitable for multirotors, helicopters, and planes requiring more channels for additional functions. AFHDS to a technology, advanced frequency hopping digital system, provides ultra-fast response and strong anti-interference capability. Works in the 2.405 GHz to 2.475 GHz range, using 135 frequency hopping channels, reducing signal conflicts. Excellent range of up to 1.5 km in ideal conditions. FS IA6B receiver with IBIS support. The FS IA6B receiver supports PPM and IBIS connections for faster data transmission and improved signal stability. Offers better performance than the standard FS IA6 receiver. Ergonomic and lightweight design. Compact and lightweight at just 392 grams without batteries. Comfortable rubberized grips for extended use. Easy to use LCD display and navigation. Backlit LCD screen for clear visibility even in bright sunlight. Simple joystick and button controls for navigating settings quickly. Customizable controls and mixing options. Supports multiple flight modes, including acro, angle, horizon, and more. Programmable dual rates, expo settings, throttle hold, and fail-safe functions. Can be set up for quadcopters, planes, helicopters, and cars. Firmware upgradable via USB. FlySky provides firmware updates to improve performance and add new features. Can be connected to a PC for simulator training. Power efficient with long battery life. Runs on 4AA batteries or can be modified for a leap year battery upgrade. Energy efficient design for longer flying sessions. Now that you've seen the best options, which one is right for you? Let us know in the comments below. Order now using the links in the description. Grab yours today and take your drone flying to the next level. Like, share, and subscribe to Aeroter Academy for more exciting content on drones and their technology. Thanks for watching.